Hello guys, it's Chance Peter here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create your own unique custom brush in Adobe Illustrator CC. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first, launch Adobe Illustrator and create a new file. You can choose your preset, enter your preset details here and click on create. So there are two ways to create a custom brush, guys. One is by using the line segment tool and another is by using the ellipse tool. So we're going to start with the ellipse tool. You can find it here. Right click on this tool panel here. You'll see a rectangle tool here, ellipse tool here, and the line segment tool is down here. So we're going to start with the ellipse tool. The shortcut is letter L on your keyboard. We are going to draw a shape horizontally like this on the screen here. We swap the fill to black and then we turn off the stroke. So now we're going to drag this one to make it like make it small so the ends here can be sharp. Let us zoom in a little bit and make it more smaller. So we're going to turn this shape into a brush by coming to brush definition box here and clicking on new brush. Since we use mouse, we are going to click on add brush and click OK. You can rename your brush or leave it like this, but just make sure stretch to fit stroke length is checked here. The direction is from left to right. Colorization method, you can leave it at none and click OK. Now click on the paintbrush tool and try to draw with your new brush. You see how it is. Very nice brush with sharp edges. Now you can try to draw on the artboard with this and you see how it looks. Let's delete these lines. And the second way to create a custom brush in Adobe Illustrator is by using the line segment tool. So we're going to select line segment tool and then hold down shift and draw a horizontal line at 0 degrees like this. So we come to increase the stroke weight to 3 points like this. Then come to variable width profile and choose width profile 1. Then come to brush definition here and we click on new brush. So we can click add brush like we did with the other one and click OK. Rename your brush or leave it like this, but just make sure stretch to fit stroke length is checked here and click OK. Now also click on paintbrush tool and you can try to draw and see how your brush strokes look. These ones are also nice with the really sharp edges. As you can see, these are the two main ways to create a custom brush in Adobe Illustrator to draw with. So let's try to draw something like an eye, a human eye like this. This is nice. We are going to reduce the size and then we are going to create a copy of this eye drawing. We're going to right click on the shape here and we go to reflect, click on preview and we click on copy. So we can have a copy on this side, the same copy. Very nice. So this is how you create a custom brush in Adobe Illustrator to draw your nice and clean line arts like the ones that I used to do on this channel. So if you're getting value, please like the video, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Turn on post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you all in the next video.